Hi viewers, good morning. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa isang subdivision na malapit sa mga prime establishments. At alam ko, naghahanap ka ng mga ready for occupancy units and this is your opportunity na ma-avail mo ang ating RFO. So this project is located at Barangay Santo Niño, Binyan, Laguna, near Mount Plaza Exit. Going there po. Ayan ang Mount Plaza Exit. And dito naman po ang mga nearby establishment. At kung nakikita nyo po ang kulay green na yan, na bubong. At ang wall na yan is pure gold po. At malapit din po ito sa mga school like Perpetual, St. Michael, at hospital po. Malapit din po ito. So, ayan. So, let's go inside this community para makita niyo po ang Jubilation Penthouse. Okay? So, ayan po. Pagpasok ninyo, ito yung pinaka-entrance gate. 24/7 po ang ating security. Hi, kuya. Hello. House, penthouse. House, penthouse. Safe na safe ba dito? Yes. Okay. So, ayan po. Pupuntahan po muna natin ang ating bare finish po na house type. Actually, meron po tayong dalawang house type dito. Ang bare finish at ito yung tinatawag na prime and the other one is premium. So, ito siya. This is a 3-story townhomes. Okay. Na merong lot area na 60 SQM and the floor area is 90 SQM. Okay. Let's go here. So, ito yung ating pupuntahan ngayon ay ang prime. So, ito yun. Let's go inside. So, this is block 6, lot 3. Okay. Let's go. So, guys, ang floor area nito is 30 square meter. At makikita niyo po, this is a bare type turnover unit. Ayan. We have here yung service area. Okay. So, let's move on. Upstairs po tayo, guys. So, this is a bare finish house type. Ibig sabihin, structure lang po ito. At makikita po natin, hindi pa upgraded ang mga ibang side po dito. So, this is a second floor. Okay. Ayan. Okay, painted na po siya. We have here a balcony. Ayan. Sliding door. Okay. So, ito yung second floor, guys. Ayan. So, may mga wiring na rin po na ready to install. Ayan. Basic wiring. Andyan na po yung standard light bulb holders po natin. So, sa plumbing, of course, eto, makikita nyo na wala itong toilet and bath. Ayan. Walang basic toilet and lavatory. So, ito na magko-customize nito. Ayan. Let's go to third floor. Ayan, still naka-ready na po ang mga wirings natin dyan to install. At ito yung tinatawag nating prime house type po dito sa penthouse. So this one is, like what I said, this is not a, upgraded na unit. Ikaw na po magpapakustomize ng unit na to. That will be your toilet and bath. Yeah. Okay. So, we have here also yung balcony. Ayan. Ito ang view mo. Okay. So, bakit merong ganitong house type, no? This is a bare type turnover, and as you can see, wala po talagang basic toilet and bath, and of course, yung lavatory niya. Bakit bare finish? Unang-una, it has a lower initial price. So, you can easily customize everything, no? So, this is usually common in townhouse, mga condominium, or house and lot packages. So, balik tayo sa second floor. Ayan. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na wala pang toilet and bath. This is livable, but, you have to customize. You have to install yung toilet and bath mo. Ganyan, guys, okay? So, let's go down. Okay. Just take a last glance of this unit. Okay. So, ayan po ang ating prime house type po dito sa penthouse. So, this is a ready for occupancy, and you need to customize everything dito po sa unit na to. Okay? Ayan, let's see the community. And kanina. So, that is a bare finish house type. Yung kulay pink, black 6 lot 3. So, pag sinabi po nating bare finish, it is a prime house type dito po sa penthouse. It's sometimes called a shell finish or unfinished unit. Kasi nakita nyo naman po sa loob, wala pa siyang toilet and bath and lavatory, di ba? So, this house is structurally complete but not livable yet. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mo pa talagang ayusin ang loob niyan bago ka lumipat. So, it includes only the most basic construction lang. With, many essentials missing. Okay? Finish ng foundation niya. May exterior walls. Okay? Often, painted pa. I mean, yung iba nga is unpainted, pero dito sa nakita niyo sa loob is may pintura na po. Okay. So, wala pa siyang ceiling, di ba? Kanina nakita natin. So, lahat dyan is naka-expose pa yung wirings niya. So, lahat po is kailangang i-improve nyo pa. I-customize or i-upgrade pa ang loob niyan. So, let's go po sa ating dressed up model unit ng Prime. Okay? Malapit lang po ito sa mga Prime establishments. So, sa mga interested buyers na gustong mag-avail po dito, message now po para may address po natin ang mga katanungan ninyo. Masagot po natin. So, let's go there. Ayan. Kanina, a prime house type, which is a bare finish house type po dito sa penthouse. And now, let's go inside para makita po natin kung paano i-customize ang bare type unit kanina. Okay? Hello! Ito ang ground floor. Yung kanina nakita niyo naman po na medyo talagang masasabi mong not livable yet. Okay? You have to customize everything. But this time, ito na yung dressed up model unit po ng 3-story townhomes na meron pong 60 SQM na lot area with a floor area of 90 square meter. And ito naman ang ating service area. Ayan. Okay. Let's move on to second floor. Wow. Ayan po. This will serve as your living area, your second floor. And at the same time, nandito na rin po ang dining area. Ayan. So cozy and elegant. Ayan, no? Living area, and this is your dining area. Okay. Your kitchen area. Nice. Okay, let's go upstairs for third floor. Oops. Here, your toilet and bath. Kanina nakita nyo, wala pa yan. So, this is the style na pwede nyo pong i-duplicate. Let's go upstairs. So here, our first bedroom, ito yun. Okay. This is your toilet and bath. Okay. Ito po ang master's bedroom mo. Okay. You have also here your balcony. Wow. Ayan. Okay. Napakagandang unit po dito ang penthouse. Let's go down. Sa mga interested buyers na naghahanap po ng ready for occupancy dito sa Laguna, dito ka na sa penthouse. Located dito sa Binyan. Malapit lamang po sa mga establishments. Okay. So good. Ayan po. So dito, kung gusto nyo mag-laundry, you can put your laundry here, over there. Ayan. Okay, dito. Pwede. So, ayan. At sa mga medyo ayaw na umakyat sa taas, meron pong naka-reserve dito na room for you. Ayan. Let's go out. So guys, eto po ang ating ready for occupancy po dito sa Jubilation Penthouse. Ayan. So, marami nagtatanong, magkano ba ang total contract price na yan? So, sa ating prime house type, yung kanina, na talagang you need to customize pa po muna bago po lipatan. Meron po itong TCP na 5.8 million. But, dahil December, meron pong 300,000 na discount. So, your net TCP is 5.3 million. Okay. And the other one, yung isa naman na merong premium house type, which is a livable one, na meron ng toilet and bath, and also yung lavatory niya. So, nasa 6.6 million less 300 na discount. So, total niya is 6.3 million. And the reservation fee here is 20,000 pesos. So, guys, mga viewers, sa mga interested na gustong mag-avail po dito sa Jubilation Penthouse, ready for occupancy. 24/7 po ang ating security dito. So, ano pang hinihintay mo? Message now for more details of this project. Guys, let's make your dream home happen here at Jubilation Penthouse. Thank you so much for watching.